Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can reset or how you can fix high CPU usage in Brave. It's a very annoying problem. I encountered myself this a problem, and I decided to share with you what I learned and what I've tested myself to fix this problem. So let's jump right into the video. Without further ado, and make sure you leave your results in the comment section. I'm curious to see if this worked for you as well and you don't have this problem anymore. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So the first method to fix this problem, what you have to do is to first click on the three bars lines right here, the hamburger icon I think it's called, and then what you can do here is to go to extension, and here make sure you turn all the extensions here off. I don't have any extensions over right now as of right now because I removed all the extension. I usually had here a lot of extension that I was using, that I had extensions but I didn't use most of them. I use them sometimes, but usually I didn't use them frequently. So make sure you disable all the extensions here. And now the next step, what you have to do is to write here in the search bar apps, I think it's called background. Oh, here, perfect. So use you can also write here in the search rules, use hardware acceleration. But anyways, what you have to do here is to simply disable continue running background apps when Brave is closed, turn this off, and use hardware acceleration when available, turn this off as well. And this can really help you a lot. It really decreased for me the task manager. I looked, and it's way less for me when I disabled both of this. And now the next method is very important. You can also go here in the search bar and write reset, and if you try all the methods and still doesn't work, click on here to reset settings to the original defaults. And that's the last one, I guess, but I still have something to share with you, which is sometimes it's work, but I've tried this myself. It didn't work for me, but it worked for my friends, so that's why I decided to show you, which is simply to click on, when you click on here and then you go to create a new profile, and just click on create a new profile, and for some reason this worked for some people, okay? But yeah, so make sure you guys subscribe and leave your results in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day.